Hello everyone. In this video, let's see how to use SMS template. Okay, when you go to settings, and then why this SMS template is every customer want different format to send the SMS to their customers. So we gave a generic template, whatever they want, they can configure and then they can send. Okay, let's click SMS template, and we have both English and Tamil language. Now this is for daily, weekly, line, monthly, and then enterprise, all the 4 lines, right? And there is a flow, right? In flow you have 3 options. Collection means after making the payment from the customer, collection from the customers, you will send SMS. Mostly this is the SMS will go every day, so that SMS. Collection detail is nothing but when you touch that customer, there will be a detail tab where every day how much he paid, that detail will be there. If you want to send SMS about that detail, you need to choose collection detail. At the time of giving loan, if you want to send SMS, you need to configure it for loan payment template. Okay, now let's discuss that collection template. So in the template, right, there is a star. What it means by star is, in WhatsApp, if you want to send the text in bold, you need to keep that whatever the text is within that star will be shown in bold. In this case, customer name will be shown in bold, and if you take the next row, the today and then amount paid today, entire row will be in bold. Okay, and that is one thing, that star. The other one is there is a parenthesis, and then inside that something called customer name. So what are all the, in the template there are 2 parts. One, the label, whatever you want to type you can type, and for that label what is the value while sending SMS is going to fill, that is called the template value. That you will keep it in insert field, right? From here, if you drag any value, if you just select any value, that will be shown in within that braces, right? Let's say, right, in the second row, today amount paid today, right? Even that label is shown with star. Okay, if you decide you don't want for label, you don't want star, just remove there and then remove here. Keep that end of that braces, just keep bold, right? It will keep that it will make that field alone bold, or otherwise you can keep at the start of the field also. In the start of the field, if you keep bold, it will make that star until the end of that field. Okay, now next thing is, let's say if you don't want the finance name, instead if you want the current date time, just click this field and then click current date time, thank you, and then the current date time while sending SMS, whatever the time, that time will be displayed. Apart from that, today I want the value as amount paid today, right? Maybe instead of today you want it as amount paid today. You can type whatever you want. Amount paid today, that value will fill here. Okay, and next to start loan start date, I want to say what is the next due date. You can type that label whatever you want, and to select next due date, you just click that insert field. It will say next due date when, and if you want in the slash or bracket, if you want to show next due amount, you can select that amount as well, right? Next due amount. If you want to put it in bracket, you put inside the bracket, that will come, but make sure that the template doesn't break, right? The next due amount, it will be coming like this, 37/2026. Okay, after 26 I don't want a hyphen, right? If you want, you can make hyphen instead of slash. I'll just make a hyphen so that it will be clear, right? So whatever the way we want, we can define the template. So this is how we need to define the SMS template. I'll just explain that insert field for this template, right? Customer name, the name of the customer, when the loan started, only principal, interest is just interest value given to the loan, and product name, it is for enterprises, what is the product we sold, Total amount plus interest is total amount paid until what is the amount paid, total amount pending is how much amount is pending outstanding, and number of installment is total number of installment. Let's say if it is weekly line it will be 10, monthly 100 days, daily line it will be 100 or 60 days, whatever. Paid install, how many install the customer is paid, what is the amount paid today is today's amount paid, next due amount is next due amount. I think that meaningful, the name itself will make that field as what it would be. If you want you can just try by sending one SMS by creating a dummy customer, and you'll know, right, each field very well. Okay, so that is how we need to create. If you want you can create a template in Tamil, you can go ahead and then you can create whatever you see in the template. The preview will be displayed here. That same way the preview will be displayed. In that same way only it will be sent. If it is SMS, star won't come and bold will not come. If it is WhatsApp, the text within the star will come in bold color, bold font. Okay, that's it, right? If you take you have for monthly interest, loan is for creating by at the time of creation of loan. If you want to send SMS, interest while collecting interest, if you want to send SMS, that is interest detail. There will be every month there will be a detail page, right? Every month they will spend interest. You want to send that interest detail to some customer, you can choose interest detail. Same for principal and top up, that same logic. Auto finance also we have that template for collection time. Auto finance when you collecting the amount, what is the template you want, you can choose that there. Okay, that is about it. Yeah, thank you. One more thing, right, that after creating the template you just need to click save. Once you save the template, then only it will be useful, right? It will use the template. You need to see the delete button below the save, which means you saved the template. If you saved the template, then only the delete will come. If there is no save button, if there is no delete button, which means you are using the default template. By default template will be there. If you want to override, you can override like this and then you can save. Okay, thank you.